In this video, I want to show you how to turn off notification on your iPhone lock screen. So it's very simple. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. So it's simple. Go to your settings, and on your settings, you're going to come down to where you have notification, and you click the second option, which is show previews. Now here are the three options. Now if you click on always, if this is your first time using the phone, is going to be on always. This means that notification previews are always going to show on your lock screen, even if you unlock your phone with your face ID or not. Notifications are still going to show. If you click when unlocked, then notification previews are only going to show when you've unlocked your phone with your face ID. And if you click on never, then notification previews are never going to show on your lock screen, even if you unlocked it or is still locked. So this is how to turn off and turn on notification on your lock screen. Find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.